Hola everybody, bienvenidos, welcome back. This is the explanation for speaking task 2, okay? So for speaking task 2, if we take a look at the rubric, we want to be able to use 2 or 3 different verbs in Spanish for developing, maybe add a little bit more for secure, adding a little bit of additional information. For excellence, you need to give as much information as possible from memory. So what I have here are 2 cards, 2 slides, which are going to help you to do this. So first of all, let's look at developing. For developing, you need to use 2 or 3 phrases. Well, on the left side of the slide, on both slides, we have all the vocabulary that we've worked on for this week. I send text, I listen to music. You could say 3 of those, between 3 and 5, as usual with the other speaking task. I want between 3 and 5 sentences. You can record those to me on your phone, send them to me as an email, job done. If you want to push yourself a little bit more, if you want to learn a little bit more Spanish, you can add some phrases from the right side of the slide. And there are 2 slides with 2 sets of phrases to choose from, okay? So how are you going to know which word is which? Well, I've helped you a little bit. I've highlighted words that might appear in both sentences or link in both sentences. So for example, if I look at escucho música, I listen to music. I've highlighted music. So over here, you're going to look for things that might relate to music. And immediately what stands out to me is this here, Ed Sheeran. There's no reason to talk about Ed Sheeran unless we're talking about music, okay? So you can probably guess that, well, maybe I'll put those 2 together. So instead of just sending me escucho música, you could send me escucho música pop como las canciones de Ed Sheeran. And you can then go on and add a couple more phrases. Veo la televisión y estudio, okay? You could add some extra information to maybe 2 or even 3 of these. It depends on how hard you want to push yourself. There is a slide here for you to type your sentences on so you can practice them. And also, I've put a link here to SpanishDict.com because you might want to look up words. Let's take a look at como bocadillos. I know that means I eat sandwiches, but we haven't learned very much about food apart from what we eat and drink at break. So, unless those words appear, you're not going to know which words you need to use. So you might want to look words up. Well, I've linked this to this one. Why? Let's look up this word pollo. Pollo. Okay? So I've got SpanishDict open and I'm typing in pollo. Well, pollo means chicken. Okay? So chances are chicken is going to relate to como bocadillos. I eat sandwiches. Because it's certainly not going to relate to duermo. I sleep. Unless you have a pet chicken and it sleeps in your bed. I don't know. Okay? So that is your final speaking task. Record those for me on your phone and email them to me. If you have any questions, of course, you can always email me at my school email address and I will help you and support you as much as I possibly can. I know it's scary. Nobody's going to listen to these recordings except for me. Okay? And yes, you're going to make mistakes. I love mistakes. That's how we learn. Bueno, take care and cuídense, and I'll see you very soon. Adiós.